There are only 5 of them in the universe. Hubble telescope takes a picture of a very rare and strange galaxy. Welcome to the Space Diary channel. Before watching, I want to ask you to help our channel by liking and subscribing. There are only 5 known lenticular radio galaxies today, and NGC 612 is one of them. The Hubble Space Telescope has taken an image of an extremely rare galaxy called NGC 612, which was discovered in 1837. It is located at a distance of about 400 million light-years from us, and its mass is 1.1 trillion times greater than the mass of the Sun. Currently, astronomers know of only 5 similar lenticular radio galaxies. Inverse writes, NGC 612 appears as a bright orange-blue streak and is a very unusual lenticular galaxy. On the one hand, they have a central bulge, a bulge in the galaxy's disk, and a disk like spiral galaxies, but they don't have the characteristic spiral arms. On the other hand, NGC 612 does not quite look like a full-fledged elliptical galaxy, but that's not all. Lenticular galaxies are very unusual in themselves, but NGC 612 is perhaps the most unusual of them all. The fact is that such galaxies mostly contain very old stars, and young stars appear very rarely. But the age of the stars in NGC 612 ranges from 40 to 100 million years. Astronomers also call NGC 612 an active galaxy, which means that the bright blob, where a lot of stars are concentrated, has 100 times the brightness of the light of all the stars in the galaxy combined. The most common type of active galaxies are Seyfert galaxies. They emit large amounts of infrared radiation, although they look normal in visible light. The galaxy NGC 612 is a Type II Seyfertian galaxy, which means that dust and gas rotate around the core rather slowly. Scientists also call NGC 612 an extremely rare example of a non-elliptical radio galaxy. It is a galaxy that is a source of radio waves and emits strong radio radiation. Only 5 such lens-shaped radio galaxies have been discovered in the universe until now. One theory explains the unusual radio emission of NGC 612 by the fact that in the past, it interacted with a spiral galaxy companion. It is considered that lenticular galaxies got their shape as a result of the merger of 2 spiral galaxies. There is another theory that explains the strong radio emission by the presence of a bright bin, similar to those of the elliptical radio galaxies. Which theory do you think is correct? Please write your opinion in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow for more interesting videos.